welcome to my channel, and today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
And
Happy birthday, dear.
thank you.
Lots of love and God bless you.
थैंक यू. एंड पापा मम्मी ने मुझे विश कर दिया है. फेसबुक में देख लो आप, इंस्टा में आप मुझे देख सकते हो कहाँ मैं साउथ कोरिया में हूँ अपने बर्थडे के लिए. सो एंड आज मैं जा रही हूँ. एक्चुअली आई एम गोइंग टू सोल टावर and then I will go to Ikseondong, and at night I don't know where I will go, but we'll go somewhere. We'll enjoy today also. We really will enjoying. But yes, so this is what I'm wearing. Oh, you will get to see later on. And let's go. We have finally arrived at Seoul Tower, and I'm about to buy tickets for the cable car. The cable car takes you to the top. Although some people do walk up, but I don't know the route. And it's too high to climb. So finally we took the cable car, and after that look at this stunning view. Oh my god, so beautiful. You can see everything from here, including my hotel. See the red building? It's Daiso. I will go visit Daiso. My mom and I am enjoying the cable car ride, and thankfully there aren't too many people inside. After that I forgot to tell her that there are more stairs to climb, and my mom was shocked. She said, oh my god, how will we climb all these stairs? But thankfully we made it, and the view from Seoul Tower is breathtakingly beautiful. However, we won't be going to the top. Instead, we'll explore everything from the bottom. Last time I visited, I only explored the bottom area because I was solo. Then we arrived at Lock and Key, where everyone locks their love life and everything. We saw the view here, and it's so beautiful. The Seoul Tower looks stunning, very stunning. And this is my log, this one. Surprise! And I'm not gonna show everything what I had written there, but look at the logs. Man, people believe here. Obviously, I believe that's why I came here. But let's see, and I will let you know once it's fulfilled. And look at this view, amazing, amazing. So lock लगा लिया है. Now we are going to other side to click some pictures and take some videos. And just look at this view. Oh my god, how can it be so beautiful? The whole scene looks like a dream. I'm back in front of Seoul Tower. Actually, people buy tickets and go up to the observation deck, but I'm not going. Then I tried this fortune cookies last time, but I couldn't translate it. That's why I didn't do this time. And then I took some videos for my reels and everything. Mummy and me has clicked a lot of pictures. वीडियो भी ले लिया, पर कुछ पिक्चर्स पता नहीं आज धूप की वजह से अच्छे नहीं आ रहे थे. बर्थडे के दिन यही होता है, जब आप सोच के आते हो वो होता नहीं है. सो अभी हम वो ब्लॉग्स के पास वापस जा रहे हैं दूसरे जगह में, तो वीडियोज़ ये सब लेने. और अच्छा लग रहा है मम्मी, सोल टावर अच्छा लगा?
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा.
ओके चलो लेट्स गो. And then I took a video as usual, and I must say I was having such a great time that I felt like I could spend the whole day here. I even took a video of my mom. I just can't take my eyes off this place. It's so breathtakingly beautiful. I'm speechless. I even danced a little. And then we left for Ikseondong. We are on our way to Ikseondong now. This is the street view, and you can see the buses, car, buildings. Everything is so beautiful. I wish I could shift here permanently. God, please make it happen. And now look at how the cars are moving, and we have arrived finally at Ikseondong. There's a place with numerous cafes, and they are all so cute. Last time I visited, I didn't come here, so I had to make it a point to visit this time, especially on my birthday. Look at this pizzeria where we are having lunch today. But before that, we were searching for another restaurant. Just look at the interiors and exterior of these cafes. They are incredibly beautiful. I have seen cafes before, but this one is something else. I've fallen in love with this place, and I wish I could come here every day, visiting a different cafe each day. But that's not possible, so I'm glad I'm here on my birthday. Oh my god, oof. Oh my god, look at this. I'm just saying oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, but really it's very pretty. And look at this railway track theme cafe. It's so beautiful. I might come back here later and you will see that in my next video. I mean in this video only, but wait for the lunch first. Not only there are cafes here, but you can also find bags, dresses and everything else. There's even a Blue Elephant store, but I forgot to buy sunglasses from there this time, but I will buy. Obviously I will buy. We will see if I end up buying them later. My mom went crazy for clothes here and I told her I want to buy some too. We will buy them later. This is the famous Sol Bread Cafe, which I was planning to visit today, but I will definitely come back here. I said I wouldn't go to the crowded restaurant today, but I ended up at the same pizzeria restaurant for Chilean food, and the view inside was just stunning. Oh my god. So हम ना यहाँ एक्सटेंडोंग में खाने आए हैं, so हमें पिज़्ज़ा खाना पड़ रहा है पहले. आज बर्थडे का लंच में पिज़्ज़ा. एक्चुअली पिज़्ज़ा नहीं खा रही हूँ, पिज़्ज़ेरिया में हूँ. Oh my god, रेस्टोरेंट very 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 pretty. I'm going to show you, and I have ordered carbonara type something and risotto tomato wala. Can you understand? I always eat the white cream risotto, but today we are having that tomato. It's okay, let's have, and then I will have some sweet cafe cake type because this area is very pretty. And खाने के बाद फिर मिलते हैं. मम्मी, मेरा बर्थडे एंजॉय कर रहे हो? ऐसे ही अच्छा लगता है ना, ज़्यादा वो उछल के नहीं, नॉर्मली घूम के. हाँ, इस पर पापा को मिस कर रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली. तो हम यहाँ खाने आए हैं स्पेगेटी एंड रिसोटो. देखो कैफे कितना सुंदर है. I had ordered seafood pasta with both red and white sauce, and it had clams, prawns and everything. It was a lot of food and extremely delicious. Then I remembered I had said I would return to the railway track themed cafe because it's my birthday and I had to have cake. Last time on my birthday I didn't have cake, but this time I told my mom, I have to have cake. And there were so many varieties here that I couldn't decide what to eat. Finally, I chose this beautiful pineapple flavored cake. It's stunning and I'm thinking, how can I finish all of this? It's incredibly tasty. I won't lie, but we couldn't finish it, so we took it home. After that, once we are done with the cake, we strolled around a bit to see what other shops were here. You can buy a lot of things here. Just bring cash and buy whatever you want. If you have money, you can get everything, but we didn't buy anything today. I love Korean style, the way they wear outfits, everything. They take the bags and this. And there was also a photo booth where you could take pictures and look at the things you can find in these cafes. So, amazing. हमने पेस्ट्री खा लिया है, पाइनएप्पल पेस्ट्री, और घर में भी वो ले लिया है. So yes, we had my birthday cake and we click pictures, go to Instagram and check my pictures. And now we're going home and we'll rest for a bit. Then we'll go to Myeongdong at night. So we came back in the hotel. We'll go out later on to Myeongdong and have good dinner and everything. So right now we're back in the hotel. So guys, right now we are going to Insadong again, but this time going to have some Indian food. Ambulance जा रहा है. Indian food because my mom wants to eat Indian food. Yes, she's craving Indian food. So as she gave birth to me today, so I'm taking her to Little India in Insadong. Yes, and we're gonna spend some time in Insadong and we'll eat and come. पता है जब बड़े हो जाते हो ना, when you get older every year, so I don't want to party, nothing. I just want to spend it peacefully, my birthday. And right now I'm wearing this. Oh my god. You will get to know and you will get to see also what I'm wearing. Chalo, chalte. Then at night we arrived. Yes, we arrived at Insadong, and because my mom wanted to eat Indian food, finally I googled it and I got our Indian food here. I mean Indian restaurant here. So we came here in Insadong. Actually, I've never come here at night before. This is my first time, but I'm enjoying it because it's really nice. There are fewer people and I'm liking it. Sometimes it's nice to have, fewer crowds. Before eating, we thought of exploring the area a bit, taking a look at the night view. We are roaming around Insadong with my mom आई मीन ऑब्वियसली पापा को हर वीडियो में बोलते हैं हम मिस करते, ताकि वो उनको याद रहे कि नेक्स्ट टाइम वो आए। हाँ, सो यहाँ रात को शॉप्स
बोलते हैं तो
हाँ।
उसी पर बोलते हैं।
हाँ, उनको हंसी आता जब हम लोग बोलते चलो चलो। एनीवे आई थिंक ऑल शॉप्स आर गेटिंग क्लोज, क्योंकि सुबह से ये लोग ओपन रहते हैं ना, ओपन करके रहते हैं ना। हाँ, सो हम थोड़ा सा ऐसे वॉक करके फिर खाने जाएंगे। अभी 7 बज रहे हैं यहाँ के साथ। सो एट 8 o'clock we will go and have dinner in Little Italy, Indian food. So I was taking a video of myself here, and I often admire myself by taking videos. My mom and I was here, but my daddy didn't come this time. If he was here, I would have taken a video of him too, obviously. Then I started working again and I felt hungry. So we decided to find that Indian restaurant and go eat. As we were walking, I showed my mom the view, which looks different at night. It's a unique experience. We kept walking and saw many things along the way, which I will show you later. One thing I love about this place is nobody judges you. Nobody cares what you're wearing or what you're doing. They respect your individuality. This is I love about Korea. I want to come here every year. Actually, if I can shift here, I want to shift. So I told you, every time I tell you I want to shift here. But let's see when I can shift. And look, there's a person playing an instrument over there. I took a short video of him too. The peace you get from listening to music, you can find it anywhere else. And then, as I walked further, I saw this cute doggy. Actually, I'm scared of dogs, but this was very cute. And then finally, I arrived at the Indian restaurant. This is Little India. And we are going inside. I hope the experience is good, but from the outside, it looks amazing. Just look at the stairs. They're so beautiful. I wonder what it will be like inside. So this is an Arabic style restaurant. So here Arabic style architecture used to build the restaurant. Colorful tiles and stones used to create the floors and walls. Arabic style furniture such as divan, sofa and tables. Colorful carpets, rugs that reflect Arabic culture. Arabic style lamps that illuminate the restaurant. Colorful tapestries and curtains that reflect Arabic culture. Arabic style paintings that adorn the restaurant's wall. Ancient artifacts such as old utensils, weapons and clothing that reflect Arabic culture. So in short, I can say I love the style of this restaurant, but I don't know about the food. I have ordered the food. You will get to see what I ordered. But I was like, in Korea we can get this type of restaurant. This is like wow. We ordered pulao, veg dishes and chicken, and the mango pickle was extremely tasty. But now I'm gonna taste it and let you know how it is. Start. पता है कैसा लग रहा है टेस्ट? पूरा जो हम घर पे खाते हैं ना, इट्स लाइक अ होम फूड, होम कुक फूड जैसे पकड़ा, वो अच्छा है. इट्स वेरी गुड, रियली गुड. यू शुड विजिट लिटिल इंडिया इन सडोंग. होम फूड खाना है, इफ यू वांट टू ईट होम फूड, then you should come here. Really, it's good. I'm not joking, it's good. So guys, that's all for today's video. We'll be back with a new video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video, click on the bell notification and follow me on Instagram, and please comment happy birthday. So guys, see you. Bye.